Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for July the 13th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. In our top news story, an FDA advisory panel voted unanimously in favour of recommending approval for ABP 501, Amgen's proposed biosimilar of AbbVie's Humira. However, some panellists expressed concern about approving ABP 501 for diseases for which it has not been clinically tested, calling for post-market surveillance studies in such cases. Also in the news, the FDA lifted a clinical hold placed on a mid-stage study of Juno Therapeutics CAR-T therapy JCAR015. The company said that under a new protocol, the trial will continue using JCAR015 with cyclophosphamide preconditioning only, with fludarabine removed from the regimen. In other news, Teva expects earnings per share in the second quarter to be in the range of $1.19 to $1.22, lifted from prior guidance of $1.16 to $1.20. Meanwhile, sales in the 3-month period are now predicted to be between $4.9 billion and $5 billion, up from an earlier estimate of $4.8 billion to $4.9 billion. In addition, Allergan extended the deadline to close a deal to sell its generic business to Teva by 3 months to October the 26th. The companies also agreed to reduce the cash consideration to be paid by $221 million and added Actonel and Carafate to the list of excluded products. And finally, AstraZeneca reached an agreement with Novartis' Sandoz unit to resolve litigation in the US related to the latter's generic version of Faslodex. Under the deal, Sandoz is prevented from launching its generic version of the hormonal therapy until March 25, 2019, or earlier under certain circumstances. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.